Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share the topic breathing and relaxation exercises. Deep breathing or focus on breathing is the basis of many relaxation and mindfulness techniques as well as yoga. It is a valuable tool for managing stress and anxiety. Number 1. Equal breathing, the technique. Balance can do the body good. Beginning with the breath. To start, inhale for the count of 4, then exhale for the count of 4. All through the nose, which adds a natural resistance to the breath. Based on the yoga breathing technique, as you become more advanced, you can aim for 6 to 8 count per breath. The goal is to calm the nervous system, increase focus and reduce stress. When to use it? Anytime, any place. But this technique that especially effective before bed. Similar to counting sheep, if you are having a trouble falling asleep, this breath can help you to take your mind off the racing through or whatever might be distracting you from the sleep. Number 2. Abdomen breathing, the technique. With one hand on the chest and another on the belly. Take a deep breath in through nose, ensuring the diaphragm inflates. You should feel your abdomen expanding. Aim for 6 to 8 deep, slow breath per minute for 10 minutes each day. When to use it? Before an exam or any stressful events. Keep in mind, those who operate in a stressful state all the time might be a little shocked how hard it is to control the breath. If you experience difficulties, seek help from the experienced health professional. Number 3. 4-7-8 breathing, the technique. You can do the exercise in any position. It is recommended that you sit with your back straight while learning the exercise. Place the tip of your tongue against the ridge of the tissue, just behind your upper front teeth, and keep it there through the entire exercise. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. Exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound to a count of 8. This is one breath. Now inhale again and repeat the cycle 3 more times for a total of 4 breaths. Always inhale quickly through your nose and exhale ideally through your mouth. The absolute time you expend on each phase is not important, but the ratio of 4-7-8 is important. If you have a trouble holding your breath, speed the exercise up, but keep the ratio of 4-7-8 for the 3 phases. With practice, you can slow it all down and get used of inhaling and exhaling more and more deeply. When to use it? This breathing exercise acts as a natural tranquilizer for the nervous system. It becomes more effective with the repetition and practice. Do it at least twice a day, but no more than 4 breaths at one time for the first month of the practice. Use it when anything stressful happens and to help you fall asleep. Number 4. Progressive muscle relaxations. The technique. Number 1. Sit in comfortable chair or lie down on your back. 2. Close your eyes and start with the 3 minutes of controlled breathing. Number 3. Tense each of your muscles group for 10 seconds. Then relax for 10 seconds in the following order. Hands. Clutch your hands into first, then relax. Lower arms. Bend your hands up at the wrist and then relax. Upper arms. Bend your arms up at the elbow and then relax. Shoulders. Lift your shoulders up, then relax. Neck. Stretch your neck gently to the left, then forward, then to right and backward in the shallow rolling motion and then relax. Forehead and scalp. Raise your eyebrow, then relax. Eye. Close your eyes tightly, then relax. Jaw. Clench your teeth, then relax. Chest. Breathe in the deeply, then breathe out and relax. Stomach. Pull your tummy in and relax. Upper back. Pull your shoulders forward and then relax. Lower back. While sitting, roll your back into the stomach arc, then relax. Buttock. Tighten your buttocks, then relax. Thigh. Push your feet firmly into the floor, then relax. Calves. Lift your toes off the ground and then relax. And feet. Gently curl your toes down and then relax. 4. Continue control breathing for 5 more minutes, enjoying the feeling of relaxation. When to use it? This exercise helps to reduce the physical and mental tension and can aid to onset of sleep. Practice this exercise regularly before bed and at the first sign of muscle tensions. Number 5. Guided visualization. This technique, heading towards your favorite happy place, you will need a recording app, podcast or CD or a therapist as your guide. Guided visualization uses the imagination to create a pleasant imaginary, such as a beautiful place in nature or healing white light illuminating the body. When to use it? Anywhere you can safely close your eyes and let go. That is, not at the wheel of the car. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. If you like the contents of the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.